pa sa uban nga age doesn't matter. Mao kini ang gipamatud-an sa 65 anyos nga lola kinsa nakapasar sa bar exam 2023. Siya si Atty. Nancy Regis, usa ka kanipango sa civil registry sa sugod Southern Leyte. Daghan ang napabilib sa iyang istorya, sanglit sa iyang edad, nakuha niya makapasar sa exam sa usara ka higayon. Gani, ang iyang sugilanon sa kinabuhi na post sa social media hangtod nga kini nag-viral. Busa karong buntaga, ma-inspire kita sa iyang istorya dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag, Atty. Nancy Regis, ug welcome din sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet all our viewers.
Good morning, Kapuso in Central Visayas and Eastern Visayas.
Attorney, una sa tanan, congratulations for passing the bar exam. How was your journey before reaching this goal?
There were quite a lot of challenges along the way. There were bumps, there were delays that I met, but although the journey is not smooth sailing, it's worth in the end. I was motivated against the toughest of circumstances during the journey.
Attorney, sa dihang nakahibaw na ka nga mugawas na ang resulta, unsay nagdagan si mong huna-huna that time, ug unsa usab ang imong reaksyon dihang nasayra nimo nga nakapasar ka sa bar exam?
Actually, I was alone in my room and watching the TV. And then when my son called me that I passed the bar, I cried and cried. I was very grateful to the Lord.
And Attorney, I'm sure your children are really proud of you. May we know, nganong nalangan ka sa pagkab-ot sa imong damgo nga mamahimong usa ka abogado?
I put hold on my dreams because I gave top priority to the schooling of my children, to fulfill their dreams first before I will fulfill mine. My children are my source of pride and joy, and it's never a burden to raise them. In fact, they are my inspiration to fulfill my dreams.
Karong buwan na, Attorney, we are celebrating the National Month of Hope, and your story is truly full of hope. But may we ask, what was the hardest part before achieving this milestone?
My traveling every day, going to Maasin City, because it's far from our place. And I have to work the whole day as a municipal civil registrar in Sugod. Then at 5:30, I have to travel to Maasin City to attend my classes in the College of Maasin, College of Law. And I will finish it at 10:30, arrive in our house at 12, then study a bit. Then again, wake up at 6 to prepare for my work in the government.
Unsay nakapalig-on nimo nga magmalampuson gihapon sa kinabuhi taliwa sa mga kalisdanan ug mga problema?
It was in my body and it was in my mind and heart to really to become a lawyer someday, in one of these days. Someday I can fulfill it. So that was what in my mind.
And lastly, Attorney, what's your message of hope para sa ato ang mga kapuso sa Central ug Eastern Visayas?
Never lose hope. God is there. Just pray. God will guide us in this journey. That's all.
Daghang salamat, Attorney Nancy Regis, and congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.